Okay guys, so now I've taught you everything about Canva, and now you are ready to create any design that you want. Okay, so let's go back here to what can we design. Okay, resume. So let's just go over that and click here, resume, on the document section. Okay, so the principles are just the same. Okay, just choose the template that you want. Okay, and then just edit the template. Okay, so for example, this template, let's make this bigger. Okay, you can zoom here. All right, so let's change the color. Okay, and then you can change the text, you can change the font. Okay, and then you can change the pictures. Okay, so let's just type woman. Okay, let's look for a picture of a woman here. Okay, so you can change the details. Okay, so everything is just the same. How to edit this, all these templates is just the same. Okay, so now let's go back. Book cover. Okay, let's choose a book cover. Okay, so as you can see, it's very easy to use Canva. Okay, let's just again choose a design template. Okay, you can design anything in like a few minutes or even a few seconds. Okay, so let's upload some, let's change the background. Okay, let's just use this background. Okay, let's just stretch that, and then let's just change the text into girl diaries. Okay, so as you can see, that is so easy and that is so fast. Okay, so just make this like that. Okay, so that is how you can easily design using Canva. Okay, so again, here are all the rest of it that you can design: CD covers, infographics, menu, poster, brochure, Facebook ads, and many more. Okay, so all the templates here you can use, and that is all. Okay, so now you know the principles. You can apply the principles that I've taught you to design any template here in Canva. Okay, so I hope you learned something from it, and I hope you can apply it and just make any kind of graphical design you want using Canva. Right? Thank you very much.